Hey there. Ever wonder what real numbers are? Don't worry. This isn't one of those boring math lessons. In the next few minutes, I'm going to explain what real numbers are so clearly that even a first grader could teach it to you by the end. Okay, first things first. Real numbers are just all the numbers we normally use. They include whole numbers, decimals, fractions, even weird ones like pi. Now let's break it down. Real numbers can be grouped into two big families: rational numbers and irrational numbers. Rational numbers are numbers that can be written as a fraction, even if they look like decimals, like 3 or 1/2 or even 0.75. All of those can be written as a fraction. Now the irrational numbers are a little weird. These can't be written as nice, clean fractions. They go on forever without repeating, like pi or the square root of 2. So here's the big picture. Real numbers are everything. Inside that, you've got rational and irrational numbers, like two halves of a big pizza. And yes, you use real numbers all the time, when you're buying snacks, checking the time, or measuring stuff. If you're using a number in the real world, it's probably a real number. Now, you know what real numbers are. They're not scary. They're just the numbers we use every day. And hey, now you're officially smarter than a first grader. Hit like if you learned something, and subscribe for more crash courses.